I hope you enjoy our show.
Welcome to our assembly. 欢迎来到二系班的 assembly. My name is Tibor. 我是 Merlin， 他是 Tibor. And we will be guiding you through our assembly. 我们是这次 assembly 的主持人。So sit back and enjoy the show. 请欣赏我们的节目。During our UR, we're learning about weather, and today we will be showing you how weather affects the way we live with a twist. 在我们 UOR 课上，我们学习了天气常识，今天要展示给你们看。Let's introduce our Chinese weather with the cherry. 让我们热烈欢迎我们的天气护士 Cherry。Hello everyone, I'm Ida, the weather wizard. Today I have this great artist painting behind me. Can you read what I am painting? When I left my cat, you read each one with me. Rain. Sun. Thank you, artists of the stage. We will begin with the first season, spring. Can you guess what time cycle they would act out? 我们将从第一个季节开始，春天。你能猜出这些是哪一种昆虫吗？